Hello there, my name is Husemeyer. I'm a senior solutions engineer at Swimlane, and in today's demo video, I want to give you a quick introduction to Turbine Integrations, or more specifically, it's our free connectors, and these allow Swimlane Turbine to interact with pretty much any API-enabled solution. So let's switch gears here, jump to my demo environment, and have a look into our library. We're going to skip on the user content where our customers can put whatever they created, also skipping on solutions, thousands of components and playbooks, but really just focusing on the connectors in our library. So you see right now it's 392. Probably by the time you are watching this video, it's going to be more than 400. Is a search bar, but yeah, I'm just taking some of the recent ones. You see there's a button missing. You can't connect here because it's already installed as shown. And I wanted to take a look at maybe Rapid7. So we can connect right from here, install it. Probably you first want to read the description, but I'm saving on time in this video. So showing you the description right here. You see it's connecting already. So downloading the required files. Here's a quick description. What API capabilities of, in this case, Rapid7 vulnerability management is supported. All these different tasks can be started or information requested. You got information on details here, like every single action. How does it look like if I want to start a scan or get some tags or get information about specific systems that were scanned? What you need, what is required, and information to start an action, all that stuff. So it's all documented here. Configuration, what you need, if it's username and password, maybe some token, all that stuff. It's documented here. You see it's done connecting. So maybe let's just for a quick view, jump over to Playbook to show with an empty one. Yeah, let's take this. It should be empty. It is. So let's go to our actions. And ideally, I'll just filter that for my fresh installed Rapid7. There are 17 actions here. And all these actions are now available for my playbook building. So I can take them and create a new tag in Rapid7 or get the vulnerabilities of a specific asset. So I'm not going to care which one I take. This is my action, and now it's in my flow, so I can pull information, push it out to Rapid7, use the information I gained, and then put it into some other systems. So it's whatever any of these 17 actions allow me to do. I can then use and maybe put it out to Atlassian Jira, stuff like that. So this is the extremely easy way how you can leverage integrations in Swimlane Turbine. You'll find more demos on how to really build playbooks, how to configure actions in detail, all in separate videos. And yeah, I do hope this quick demo gave you some good insights into how to easily make use of any of the hundreds of free pre-built connectors to integrate any API-equipped system with our Swimlane Turbine instance for plug-and-play automation. Thank you so much for your attention, and talk to you later.